channel. So this is my very first outing of 2021. So right now I am at the Great Imperial Palace Resort. So here we have food, adventure, sports, games and many more things. So let's see what we have. Hello guys, right now I'm at the Grand Imperial Palace Resort. Let me give you a small quick tour about the palace. So this is the reception area. The whole is a reception area, and here we have the paintings above is so beautiful, and this is the whole reception area, and this is the lobby. Here we go. The paintings are so beautiful, the walls are so beautiful, as you can see around. Even above we have some paintings. So here we have two lobbies, one is this and one is this. This is the lobby for some washroom and refreshments, and this lobby we have rooms over here. So I'll show you afterwards the rooms and everything. And this is, here we go right now. So there downstairs we have the cafeteria. I'll show you this is the cafeteria. Let me show you around. The cafeteria area is also so beautiful. Everywhere we have paintings. So here we go from. So guys, this is the cafeteria area. That's so beautiful. I just look there. I love this place because it has the big wall paintings. I so love them. So right now it's the breakfast time, and here we have a buffet breakfast. Let's see what dishes we have. So now they have served us the breakfast, and in breakfast we have dhokla, we have khandvi, we have some cookies and brownies, we have padra, and we have orange juice. And the best thing over here we have is a live music with our breakfast. As you can see right there, the person is singing. So right now enter the room. So after insert this. So right now I have done my breakfast and I am in my room. So let me give you a quick room tour. This room is so amazing. So let's go. So well, this is the washroom. This is the bathtub here. Hello, what's up? The washroom is so spacious. They're so big. I love this kind of washrooms. Let's go ahead. And these are the wardrobes. Okay, this is the lamp, and these are the beds. We have two beds. It is such a big room. Here is a TV, and this is a there is a working table. If one can keep your laptop, you can work here as well. And then we have a couch here. And the best thing of the room is the view. The view is so amazing from here. Let me just show you. The view is so pretty from here. for the day. I am going to stay here for one day. And so I have got freshened up and now we are going for adventures. Let's go. So to go for the adventure park from the Imperial Palace, they have a bus right here. So they take you from the bus to the adventure park, adventure zone. So right now I am in the adventure zone area. As you can see behind, these are the adventures we are gonna do. So let's go. So आप मेरे को ये एक्टिविटीज एक्सप्लेन करो ना आप एग्जैक्टली क्या है.
ओके मैम, ये है ब्रह्मा ब्रिज.
ओके.
ये जो सेंटर में 2 लाइन दिख रहे हैं वायरिंग,
हाँ.
उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग कमांडो क्रावलिंग.
ओके.
और जो आगे नेट है उसको बोलते हैं वर्टिकल नेट क्लाइंबिंग.
ओके.
और ये वॉल खड़ी है इसको रॉक क्लाइंबिंग बोलते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आर्चरीज है और ये हम लोग का नेट क्लाइंबिंग है.
ओके. या थैंक यू सो मच.
वेलकम.
So right now I am going for rock climbing.
Keep your body close. जब मैं स्टार्ट हो रही हूँ.
So come on, let's go. Let's try this.
Slowly. Yeah. No. Right hand up. No. Left leg up. Follow my instruction. Okay. Stand up. Right hand. Again left hand. Left hand. Put your right leg up on right side. Right leg on right side.
Come on.
Just stand on your feet. Just stand on your feet. Good. Right hand, right side, yellow. Yellow one. Yeah. Put your left leg in center. Come on, go. You can do it. Lovely. Left hand up. Very nice. Put your right leg up.
क्या हुआ? क्या
Why is this so hard?
Okay, come on, keep going.
बस एक वीडियो की जगह बना दे. ये बंदे इधर रहेगा ना आते हैं. आ जाओ. मैं डरता नहीं हां.
Left hand. Very good. Come on, you can do it.
बाहर के आ रहे हो.
Okay, take your left leg up. Left hand on that green one. Right hand on that
Fuck.
yellow. Yeah, good. Put your right hand up. Good. Stand up.
एक भी नहीं निकाला निंजा. एक भी नहीं किया.
Very nice. Come on. Take your left foot up on green. Left hand. Almost there. Come on, put your right leg up. Yes. Just stand. Okay. Okay, done. Sit down. Yes, perfect. Leave your legs down. One by one. Good. Leave. Hold the rope. Yeah. Leave your legs slowly. ठीक है? And छोड़ो. Yeah. Good. Walk slowly. Ma'am, leave your legs. आपको कुछ नहीं करना.
Oh my god.
Very good.
जाना नहीं है.
Thank you.
आ गया हेलीकॉप्टर.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay. Yes, please. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah.
राहुल बेटा खाली उतर इकडून जा खाली उतर इकडून जा तोड ना तू बजरंग जरा जरा तुझ्या मागे चल
Oh shit.
मैम बॉडी वेट आगे ट्रांसफर कीजिए ताकि आप पीछे जाओ थोड़ा बेंड लीजिए थोड़ा बस
Bro.
योगा आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू और रिलैक्स लीजिए आप पूरा एकदम बॉडी हार्ड रखो नॉर्मल एक वॉक करना
रेवती तू आगे आ जा तू देख
बोलो रुक जा 3 2 1
गॉड
उसके बाद मैम जितना आप रुकोगे उतना हार्ड होगा मूव करते जाइए कम ऑन बॉडी वेट थोड़ा आगे रखिए ताकि वेट ना आए थोड़ा बॉडी वेट आ लगे कम ऑन
बस थोड़ा सा ही है चल जल्दी
Oh damn.
तेरा कैपेसिटी नहीं उतना बजा से हैंड बहुत दर्द है
उतने करनी तो
अरे हाथ दर्द दे सकते हैं आगे
हो गया चल हो गया खत्म है चल
मेरे हाथ को है fuck.
हो गया चल खत्म हो गया हो गया हो गया
Thank you. Fuck. Shit.
Come on, you can do it, man. Come on, finally, then I need to all do it. Come on. जल्दी आ जाइए छोड़ना नहीं है बिल्कुल नहीं पैरों पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर दीजिए हाथों पे सिर्फ लाइट लचकी है
hands are full red. It's full red as you can see. आधी तो चमड़ी भी उखड़ गई है बाप रे. I can't even feel my hands. But I had an amazing experience. Yeah, बहुत सही था, मज़ा आ गया.
पहले सीटो ना आने से.
एग्जैक्टली आप मुझे बताओ अभी यहाँ पे क्या है?
यहाँ पे
अब ये
बाइक से और एटीवी कार है.
ओके.
आपको आराम से चलाना है बिना कोई रिस्क के. हेलमेट जो इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे वो सुन लेना बराबर.
ओके.
और आराम से उसको पहले स्टार्ट करके स्लो चलाइए.
ओके.
फिर सेकंड राउंड में आपको लगे तो फिर फास्ट चलाना. बाकी आप लोग तो स्लो ही चलाइए. इस बाइक के लिए हेलमेट पहनना है सिर्फ. डेट बाइक पे आपको पूरा पहनना है ये वाला.
Okay, we are. So this is the ATV car, right? And right now I'm gonna ride this. So let's go. So अभी क्या है किधर? ये दोनों ब्रेक है.
ओके.
और ये एक्सीलेटर.
इधर भी ब्रेक है.
ब्रेक है
ये एक्सीलेटर.
ये एक्सीलेटर है.
हाँ.
तो खाली इसका एक्सीलेटर और ब्रेक लेना है.
बस.
लेफ्ट राइट करना है.
हाँ बस. स्लो जहाँ पे तुमको जाना है ना राइट से टर्न मारने का.
यहाँ पे कौन सा रास्ता है? सिर्फ राइट टर्न मारना.
हाँ राइट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट. ओके.
So right now we are riding. Oh my God, it's so lovely right now. Thank you. अरे घेर है खाली. So here we have an arcade zone area as well. We have so many games. We have we are done with our adventure sports and direct we are back at the hotel. We are having our lunch right now because it's 5 o'clock, so I'll have my lunch and then so I am done with the adventure and I am here right now for the sunset. I just want to show you how beautiful the sunset is. The sun is setting right there. How beautiful it is, looking so beautiful. I love the Imperial Palace Grand Resort. The hospitality of this palace is so amazing. The adventure was so good. I absolutely loved overall. Hope you too loved it. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And do press the bell icon. Bye-bye.